Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them, maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, June the 6th, I want to wish my twin boys, Billy and Georgie, a very happy 10th birthday. Happy birthday, boys, and we'll have a great day today. I've got 3 press releases for you. One of them is from yesterday, actually, because we didn't have a show. It is from an AGORACOM sponsor. It is Sonomax Technologies, trades on the venture exchange under the stock symbol SH8. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit today. As always, we don't talk about AGORACOM sponsor news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. But the company announced yesterday that Amazon, the world's largest e-tailer, is now selling Sonomax's custom-fitted ears. That's EERS earphones. Specifically, they have 2 models, the PS150 and 250, which are award-winning earphones. Amazon ranks 3rd in sales overall for consumer electronics in the United States. On top of that, Sonomax also announced that Walmart.com and Newegg.com have started selling ears as well. Walmart store and online sales of consumer electronics products ranks them as the 2nd largest in the U.S. So fantastic partnerships here, fantastic sales channels. If you don't know about Sonomax, this is one of the best, if not the best, ear technology company in the world. They got more than 50 patents and trademarks worldwide. And some of their clients include BHP Billiton, Kraft, the United Kingdom Ministry of Defense, Rio Tinto, Nestle, Hess, Coca-Cola. So that kind of third-party validation tells you that they're not just talking a big game, but they're receiving commercial acceptance. So if this is a sponsor of AGORACOM, do your own due diligence. Assume we're horribly conflicted, but great news coming out of Sonomax yesterday. Next up, Geomega Resources, TSX Venture GMA, announced that they continue to intersect high-grade true rare earth oxides and niobium. That's the company's headline there. It looks like they released holes 36 through 51, so about 15, 16 holes there on their rare earth niobium project in Quebec. Just some of the highlights: 1.62% trio plus 0.15% niobium over 780 meters. That was hole 37. Hole 40, 3.02% trio, 0.2% niobium over 26.5 meters, and hole 43, 2.8% trio, half percent niobium over 52.5 meters. They closed this at 63 cents. Their 52-week high is 365, and their low is 34 cents. So a lot of carnage in the small cap space. And if you're a value shopper, this may be the place. But you got to do your due diligence. Golden Rain Resources, trades in the venture on the stock symbol GRR, announced, quote-unquote, additional near-surface high-grade gold mineralization. This out of their gold property in Nicaragua. The San Albino mine area covers only 2 square kilometers, the company's entire 138 square kilometer land package. That's the first of several targets being tested according to the company. The company says, quote, drilling and trenching indicate the strong potential for a high-grade open pittable resource. Furthermore, they say, at present, the potential open pittable portion of the San Albino zone has a strike length of 400 meters and a down dip extension of 300 meters. Mineralization has been intersected from surface to a depth of up to 50 meters. Go take a look at the press release to see some of the highlights. The one hole that caught my attention here, 9.3 meters, 11 grams per ton of gold, and 29.8, let's call that 30 grams per ton of silver. They closed yesterday 70 cents, 52-week high at $1.45, and a 52-week low 55 cents. So again, you see some of the carnage going in the small cap space, but there's definitely going to be bad value found. And I've said this before, I've said it again. When and if and when Europe calms down, the solutions are found. Hopefully sooner than later, but it could be a long time, so you can't bet on anything right now. Then we'll move back into a risk-on environment. Risk-on means that small caps will start to move. So what I would do is you don't necessarily have to go out there and start buying things yet, but definitely put together a shopping list of companies that are great companies, they got great projects, and whose price has been beaten up. I would look for anything that's beaten up greater than 50%. That's where I would start off. And create a shopping list and get ready to move just in case things start to work out. June is going to be a big month for Europe. You got the Greece election on the 17th. You got some big Euro meetings at the end of June where they're going to try and table some solutions. So this could be the month. But you got to be careful. Preserve that capital. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you today. If you're looking for more great resource companies and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look to the left of me or below me, depending on the page you're on. to see the companies we covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines on my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.